Hi, my name is Dr. Rudra Mohan, and through the Oral Health channel, today we're going to be talking about a very important topic. Let's start. So today I'm not going to be in a very cheerful mood, to be very honest, because of the fact that I came across a news recently about 4 to 5 days back that a man in the state of Jharkhand had consumed oleander seeds because he had seen a YouTube video on the fact that if you consume oleander seeds, that is known as kaner in the local language, you can get rid of the toothache. And the side effects, basically oleander seeds, that is white oleander and yellow oleander, these seeds are basically used as cattle poison, sometimes in some cultures in abortions, and these are cardiotoxic plants, and these seeds basically will stop your heart eventually, leading you to go into a coma and die. Now that is what happened. This youth complained of toothache and he saw YouTube videos about something about oleander seeds. I have not been able to find or trace the video. I think that video should be reported. And I would strongly recommend all of you who are searching for answers for your problems. I understand your discomfort, your pain, your anxiety, your despair, but please, even if it takes a little bit of money, please go to a registered medical or dental practitioner for all your health problems. Don't do DIY things at home or home remedies with the help of influencers, quote unquote. I don't know how the family must be thinking and surviving after the death of their loved one because of something so frivolous. At that point of time, it doesn't seem frivolous when the pain happens, but consuming something, not only the oleander seeds, but consuming misinformation from the content and then succumbing to it is something that really disturbed me, to be very honest. So my genuine request to you would be, please go to a registered medical or a healthcare practitioner. Don't try to self-medicate and don't do DIY things to make your cells or your health problems go away. It can cause you your life as well. So that's it for today. Please like, share and subscribe, and please do take care of your family members. Thank you.